unveiling the essence of pure joy. Hello everyone, in today's video, we'll dive deep into the meaning of the phrase, pure joy. Have you ever come across this phrase in your English studies or in conversations? Well, by the end of this video, you will not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in sentences. Pure joy is a simple yet powerful phrase, and we'll explore it together. Let's start by breaking down the words. Pure. This word often refers to something that is not mixed with any other substance. It can mean clear, clean, or untainted. For example, pure water means water without any impurities. Joy. This is a feeling of great pleasure and happiness. Think about the moments in your life when you felt extremely happy. That's joy. When combined, pure joy means an emotion of happiness that is so intense, it feels untouched or untainted by any other feeling. It's happiness in its most genuine and undiluted form. Understanding the phrase is great, but knowing how to use it is even better. Let's look at some examples. 1. Watching the children play in the park was pure joy for the grandparents. 2. He said winning the championship was a moment of pure joy. 3. Listening to my favorite song always brings me pure joy. From these examples, we can see that pure joy is often used to describe moments or experiences that bring about intense happiness. While pure joy is a lovely phrase, there are other ways to express the same feeling in English. Here are a few synonyms. Sheer happiness, unadulterated delight, absolute bliss, complete elation. Remember, the context in which you use these phrases may vary, but they all convey a strong and genuine feeling of happiness. And there you have it. The phrase, pure joy, encapsulates one of the most profound emotions we can experience: genuine, intense happiness. English, like all languages, is filled with such beautiful expressions that can capture the essence of our feelings. I hope this video has been enlightening and that the next time you feel pure joy, you'll recognize it and perhaps even use the phrase to express yourself. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.